Welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about again a design challenge. Yes, what is that? Let's see in the design shown below. Will LED glow or not? If yes, explain how. If not, explain why. Guys, this is the design. We have AND gate, XOR gate, NAND gate. There is an LED here, which is a light transmitting device. Of course, it contains 4 1 kilo ohm resistances. There are two switches here, S1, S2. Whether LED glow or not, or is it permanently off, that we want to find out. That's it. That is itself is the challenge. Okay. Now, as for the switches, let's try. Let's consider here S1, S2. The switches can be on or it could be off as well. And for better understanding, let's assume A, B, Y. The AND gate output, XOR gate output, NAND gate output. A, B, Y. Okay guys? Now, let's assume S1, S2 both are off. If both are off, they act like a open circuit. Then this 5 volts will appear here. This here also 5 volts will appear here. Then the AND gate output becomes logic 1 because 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1 only. Hence the output of AND gate is logic 1. Similarly B, you take here the output. Anyway, this becomes logic 0 only because it's an open circuit only now. And here this one becomes 5 volts. And this will be 5 volts through this. Hence, it's a 5, 5, like 1 XOR 1. It becomes logic 0. Hence, this Y, NAND gate, 1 into 0, 0, 0 bar, 1. If it is 1, guys, means for this light emitting diode, anode side 5 volts, even cathode side, which is Y, also 5 volts, then will LED glow? No. The anode side voltage must be more than the cathode side voltage. Then only LED will glow, right? So the voltages are same. Then current cannot flow. LED will not glow. So that we can say the LED will be in off state only. Similarly, let's take off, on. If it is off, guys, here you will get 5 volts because S1 is off and S2 is on. Guys, if S2 is on, short circuit, then definitely this will be 0, this will be 0, isn't it? Yes, so the same 0 here, and this will be like through this. This is permanently 1 only. This one is permanently 1. So that here, this is 0. Then it's a logic 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0, 1, 1. Then guys, here for the NAND gate, 0 into 1, 0, 0 bar, 1. If it is 1, LED will be off only. Similarly, let's take on, off. Therefore guys, here if it is on, this will be short circuit. If it is short circuit, here you will get 0. And S2 is off. Then here you will get logic 1. Here also you get logic 1. Because through this. Now guys, 0 into 1, 0. 1, 1. It's XOR operation. 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 bar. 1. Again LED will be in off state only. Let's try the last state, on. Both are on. If both are on, here it acts like a short circuit. Switch is on. Here you get 0. Here also you get 0. Because of this, here also you get 0. This is permanently 1 only. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, like 0 XOR 1, 1. Then 0 into 1, 0, 0 bar, 1. That means even when both the switches are on, then also LED will not glow. Hence guys, what we can tell through this table is here the LED permanently in off position only, off state only for this given design. When you take the switches, both are on, both are off, on and off, but still the output is always 1. Hence LED will not glow. It is always in reverse bias only. Okay guys, this is what the design challenge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Shivaram signing off. Jai Hind.